Hey everyone, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. We are on part 2 of the June super clearance. Got the numbers ready to go. So if you're new here, I'm Deborah, Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I do I can't talk today. I do sales every Saturday at 12 noon Central Standard Time, and sometimes it's costume jewelry, sometimes it's fashion jewelry, and most of the time there is sterling and gemstones, and I do carry gold as well. So I try to change it up each weekend. So that is at Central Standard Time every Saturday. I also do unboxings. My video comes out Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, all right, well, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you are going to claim the item here in the comment section by putting the number of the item that you're looking for. So what I'll do is I will check back and see who came in first. I will look at the timestamp that is on the video down below in the comment section, and then I will answer you, got it, gotcha, something like that. And if it's already sold, I will let you know that as well. And then if it comes in overnight, don't worry, I will check the timestamps. I will keep a completed sold list. It will be pinned to the top of the comment section. Also, at the end of the video, there will be a pink screen that has the ordering instructions. And it also has my email address on there for anyone that is new and has never purchased. And I gladly ship all over this crazy little world of ours. So, all right, let's get started. We are doing a combination of jewelry. It is going to be $10 and under. And we've got some cute, fun pieces. Some you've never seen before, some you have. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. Number 1 is a really gorgeous mesh silver tone necklace. It is magnetic here. It is gold tone and silver tone. It clips back like that. Here is the back. That is number 1. We're going to do that for $2. Okay. Number 2 is so cool. This is an acrylic. It looks like it's Bakelite. It is not. It is an acrylic, but it's just a beautiful long necklace. This is 1946, so a great brand. This is number 2. We'll go ahead and do that for $3. All right, number 3 is titanium pyrite. This is gorgeous. I love the coloration on this. It's got a toggle. Looks like it was homemade. It is beautiful. This is number 3. We'll go ahead and do that for $5. That is the prettiest piece. There's something about that. Number 4 is, I think this is J. Crew. This is a J. Crew necklace. It is black with blue rhinestones and then yellow dangles. Love that chain. This is number 4. We're going to do that for $5. Okay. Number 5 is a gold tone. This is really pretty. Ham's a hand like that. It is on a beautiful chain. I don't think, oh, let's see. Is there something written on that? Let's see. It's marked TH, not sure who that is. It is beautiful. Number 5, we'll go ahead and do that for $3. All right, number 6. I put these all in a bag so that they wouldn't get lost. So this is really pretty. So you've got a bunch of different little charms here. Let me get them up here on my hand. Mixed charms. Get up there. Really precious. This is a little holder. It does have some stones in there already. It is just adorable. It is gold tone. Let's get those all back in there. So there's a little book and other items. That is number 6. We're going to go ahead and do it. Let's do it for $6. Really cute. Number 7 is a rose gold newer bracelet. It has rhinestones. It is adjustable. It's in a beautiful bright rose tone. This is number 7. We'll do it for $3. Some of you guys never saw that piece. I have a couple of new pieces that I never showed, but I am clearing out. So this is Lona and Lily. It is a magnetic bracelet, really a precious one. It still has its tag. We'll go ahead and do this for $2. Number 8. Number 9 is a 3-piece set of acrylic bracelets. Get you a measurement there. They are about 8. So you get all 3 of these. These are vintage. We'll go ahead and do number 9. We'll do them for $3. Number 10 is really pretty. This is acrylic and it has rhinestones and a citrine colored point on it, but it is not a citrine. Let's see. This is its little hang tag dangle. Really precious. Number 10, we'll go ahead and do that for $3. Get some more numbers. I am so glad you guys are loving these sales. I love these as well. All right, this is the weirdest brooch, you guys. Okay, I'm just going to show it to you. Look at this thing. I am not sure. I'm not sure about this brooch. It just cracks me up. It's vintage. It's goofy. You know, I like the weird but wonderful. We'll do, oh, he's jumping off. I think it's a cat. We'll go ahead and do number 11 for $3. Enjoy the wackiness, right? Life's too short. All right, let's do a necklace. This one is New York. It has these gorgeous dangles. Look at that. I love these. These are acrylic. It is a silver tone. It is a beautiful necklace. We are going to clear that for $3. Number 12. Number 13 is Stella and Dot. Really beautiful little faceted stone there. Nice and dainty. Beautiful condition. Number 13, we're going to do that for $3. Number 14 is gorgeous. So we have this pink. There's a little bit of wear here on the chain. But look at that. Isn't that cool? I am not positive. I think it's a resin. But it is just so colorful and so fun. We'll go ahead and do that for $2. That's number 14. Number 15 is a White House Black Market necklace. It definitely needs a clean up, but it is really pretty. You've got 1, 2, 3 different lengths on the silver tone textured circles. So White House Black Market. We're going to do that for $2, but it does need a clean up. Grab some more numbers. All right. Here we've got a crescent moon with green, like faux pearls brooch. I'm not sure if that's a marking right there or not. It is number 16. We're going to do that for $3. So I am so glad you guys are loving these sales. So trying to get some great value into you. I got my squeaky chair today, you guys. All right. Let's go ahead and grab another tray. This one's fun. Look at this. A little mousy. He's so precious. He's some kind of like a poly resin. He's just adorable. Number 17. We'll do it for $2. Number 18 is a pair of gold tone earrings. They definitely need to be reshaped a little bit. There is a tiny bit of wear. Go ahead and do that for $1. Number 18. Number 19, we're clearing out to the National Gallery of B earrings. They are new on the card. They are from London. These are number 19. We're going to do them for $2. Number 20 are really adorable. So these are a lucite or acrylic carved flower. They are in a turquoise color. Really gorgeous. We'll go ahead and do those for $2. That's number 20. I again need to grab some more numbers. All right, these are fun, perfect for the summer. They are clear with little specks in it, silver tone, hoop earrings, acrylic. They are about 2 inches. Number 21, we will do those for $1. 22, let's do these. Joy jewelry. They are little rhinestone earrings, brand new on the card. Number 22, we're going to do those for $2. Number 23 are a pair of black raffia earrings. Now, I think these are marked like right there. Let me go ahead and take a peek. Well, they've got a little rhinestone on the back. Could be Goodwill. Excuse me. They could be like Stella and Dot. They could be J. Crew. Not positive. They could also be Madewell. We'll see if I have any earring backs for those, but they are a black raffia, number 23. We will go ahead and do those for $2. Number 24 are an acrylic green pair of faceted earrings. Number 24, we'll do those for $1. Number 25 are a pair of gold tone flower earrings with howlite. Really pretty. They definitely need a little cleanup on the ear post. Number 25, we're going to clear this out for $1. 26, these are gorgeous. I think these are marked. Let me check. They just have a rhinestone on the back, so that could be anybody. Ann Taylor, so many different companies do that nowadays. So these are a like garnet color and then like a raspberry color earrings. These are beautiful. Numbers 26, do those for $2. Number 27 again is this cute little resin heart with mice. So sweet. Number 27, we'll do that for $2. Number 28 is a pair of Starburst, I guess I would call them, earrings. They are gold tone. They are fun and funky. Number 28, we're going to clear those out for $1. Number 29 are earrings. I stuck them together. So they are a twisted rope. Oop, they are marked. Let's see what that says on there. It says Napier, you guys. So these are Napier gold tone ribbon or rope twisted earrings. Get those back together. Napier, number 29. We'll go ahead and do those for $4. Number 30, if I can get my numbers to stop sliding, is an Alex and Ani beautiful gold tone necklace. I've got something. There we go. With a beautiful rhinestone. Look at that. It's a Rivoli. Absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. Number 30, we'll do that for $2. Number 31, this is the last time we're bringing this one up. I believe this is Madewell. It is a snake chain. You have a pretzel, and you slide it through the pretzel, and that's how you get it to work. It is a beautiful necklace. We're going to clear that out for $1. Okay, 32 is a pair of leopard earrings. They are rhinestone with green eyes. Absolutely beautiful. These are newer. These are number 32. These are going to be $4. Grab some more numbers, and I'm going to grab another tray. So let me know if there's any ideas that you guys would like to see for videos. I may do some clearance sterling. You know, let me know. All right, number 33, these are turquoise and gold tone beautiful dangle earrings. Number 33, we're going to do those for $2. Number 34, now this is marked sterling silver. It is not sterling silver. I tested it 100 times. I've had this in my collection for a while. It is not sterling, but it is a gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet. Looks like sterling. It is number 34. This one is $7. Number 35 is a Brighton watch. Needs a battery. It is a charm bracelet. Really cute. Definitely needs a cleanup, and the Brighton does need a watch and battery in there. This is number 35. We're going to do that for $10. 36 is this snowflake rhinestone piece. I think it's marked. Let me see. Nope, it's just got a little kite there. It is gorgeous. It is silver tone. We'll go ahead and do that for $2. 37. It's a pair of silver tone earrings. These do glow under UV light. They are green with little fluorescent beads, so once you get that with the UV light or certain I can't talk UV lights. Number 37, we'll do this for $2. just time to stop talking when I can't talk. So this is faux pearls, multi-strand. You have 4 strands. Beautiful. There's a little bit of wear there. There is no wear here. It's Carol Lee. There's wear here. It is a gorgeous vintage necklace. Carol Lee, number 38. We're going to do that for $7 for that Carol Lee. Can you believe it? Love it. All right. So this is a rough cut piece of agate here. And then you've got the beautiful agate there. It is silver tone. This is 86 carats, you guys. That is number 39, and it is $10. All right, let me find one more piece. You can hear my cranky chair. All right. So again, let me know how you guys love these videos, and I will keep pumping them out all summer long to save you guys some money. All right, Banana Republic. This is our last piece for the sale. Silver tone, acrylic in a gray. I love that design. It's like a bridle or a, I can't remember my horse tackery names, but like a horse bridle link. It's number 40. We'll go ahead and do that for $2. All right, so don't forget you're going to claim by number down here below in the comment section, and I will check and let you know if you got the item, and if it's sold I will let you know as well. There will be a pinned comment section down there that will have the sold list, and these sales only stay open for 5 days, and so get in while you can. Otherwise these are all going to get packaged up into wearable sellable jewelry lots that I will sell at various live sales. So all right, you guys, you have a fantastic day wherever you are in this crazy world of ours. And as always, be well, take care of each other, and don't forget to tell someone you love them. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.